Hey traders, basically in today's video session, I'm gonna go through with you my outlook for Monday, actually for coming Tuesday, okay, as well as what my eyes are on, okay, when it comes to harmonic patterns, but the main focus will be on structure-based trades. Now, as a point of caution, I haven't actually taken any structure-based trades, okay, for a long time due to time constraints. Hence, I revert to harmonic patterns, basically where I know that I can see a pattern from a long while away, and I'm able to place my pending orders and then let the market do its thing, then get filled. It's either I'm stopped out or I actually make profit on the trade. Hence, with structure-based trades, they require a bit more management, because then I'm a person who looks for confirmation before entering any structure-based trade. So it does put me on the negative side when it comes to looking at the charts. So basically, without further ado, what I'll be looking at, basically start off with pound yen, okay, on the 60. Pound yen. Now we're looking, coming from the top down, coming from the top. If I basically deleted all this, alright, so we are currently in consolidation right here. So price action is not showing us, giving us any signs of going up or going down. What does that put us? It puts me at a place where I'm looking for price to test the support zones, so that's looking for any long base entries, right? So firstly, what we have here, let's see if we do have any harmonic move coming in here. Nope, we come slightly lower. However, we do test this zone a number of times, 1, 2, 3. So this is a significant level that the market is actually respecting. So as a trader, what I'm looking for, I'm looking to get long at these zones right here. So basically, as a structure-based trader, looking at IPDE, I've identified that the market is in consolidation. P prediction, I want to buy. Hence why? Because I'm finding support at these zones. Price action is respecting the zone short term wise, okay, on the hourly chart. Hence, I want to be long. So decision point. Now the decision point basically here is, I would need deciding, or basically a reason for entry. Okay, it could be looking for a higher close, looking for a price action signal, could be a pin bar or a 2-bar reversal. It could be going even lower to the 15-minute chart time frame, okay, looking for an entry technique in order to actually get long. So this is also one of the reasons why structure-based trades, I don't really have much time to trade them, even though they are actually highly profitable. So as you can see, even down to the 15-minute time frame, you have this 2-bar reversal, okay, here. So it is an indication that price action is respecting the support zone and price action wants to move higher. Now going back to the hourly charts, you're also seeing here we had even a double bottom as well on our RSI. And if I was to take a line here from here to here, we are seeing some divergence as well okay, on the RSI. So this is a zone to actually look out for. So if I was just to take my line tool and just clone this, let's see if you can get an ABC pattern move, harmonic move. Yes, we do. We actually do get a harmonic move back into structure. So it is a zone to look for. Looking at reward, risk versus reward, you're looking at risking about this much in order to gain potentially that much. Okay, so not bad when it comes to risk to reward, okay, on this trade. So but however, going back to the IPD, E stops at D, E is execution, so I'm looking to actually execute. Okay, so the execution point would be the deciding factor, which would be the price action signal, right? So the price action signal is one that will gear me up for entry if I do have get reasons. But as a harmonic trader, I do not look at structure-based trades that often, even though they are intellectually challenging for me. Next, pound yen, pound dollar, pardon me, pound dollar on the hourly charts. Okay, basically on the 4-hour bigger time frame, we are in consolidation, but we are moving lower, because what we have here, we have price action double bottoming, okay, at the zone, which then gives me an indication that price action is holding this support zone. We had price action testing these lows. It broke previous structure but closed within this prior range, giving me an indication that price action does want to move higher irrespective of that. Also another deciding factor, okay, when it comes to looking to getting long, we have again divergence here. So we are seeing exhaustion, okay, of selling pressure down here, okay, which is clearly defined, okay, by this support. Right, this significance, even though it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars, but it is holding previous structure. So as a trader, what I'm actually looking to do, okay, in this particular instant, I'm looking to, again, look to get long. What are the reasons I'm looking for? I'm looking for bounce, for price action to really hit this zone, and for me to take a long position, okay, on this one. But basically what we have here on the 15-minute time frame, okay, if my eyes serve me correct, we do have, let's see, we just miss, depending on your rules, we have a potential godly pattern, okay, which would look something like this, even though this is not really part of what I wanted to talk about. But you are looking at a godly pattern coming in, okay, coming in roughly something like that. So you're looking at a godly pattern. So if you are counter trend trader, you are actually looking to short the pound yen on the 15-minute time frame. However, as a structure-based trader, what you are looking to do is actually get long, looking for an entry reason down here, okay, at the support zone, looking to ride the market higher. Next, New Zealand dollar. We are seeing also, interestingly, on the New Zealand dollar, we had price action respecting, okay, this zone. We tested our support 1, 2, 3 times, tested the support, price action broke and closed above previous structure high, giving me an indication that price action wants to move higher. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for an outside return, which is what we are actually getting, to actually test previous structure, and you're looking to ride the market even higher. So that is what I'm actually looking at to do. So basically, I'm a person who trades the London session or the London Open, which is particularly more important to me. So if this trade is the setup is valid, where you find that price action is just bouncing at these zones, and by chance I'm able to see that, okay, during London I'll be able to actually execute on this. But basically this is a nice limited risk trade. Even if you had your stops for this trade, okay, down here as well, you are looking at profits, okay, looking at our near-term structure highs right here. So it's a good risk to reward trade setup, okay, on the New Zealand dollar. Next is Euro Swiss, if I can find it. Euro Swiss, what we do have is a potential bad pattern, looking at an X to A, A to B, B to C, CD completion at 886 at 104.985. So you're looking at a potential reversal there. So as a person who trades London session, I'm watching this very, very closely, okay, for tomorrow. As well as Aussie yen, Aussie, okay, there we go. Aussie yen as well, we've got another bad pattern, okay, coming in, okay, at 92.24. It's the deep point completion of this bad pattern. As well as we have a structure-based trading opportunity as well here, where price action double bounced, and now price action is moving higher. So yeah, it is a nice trading opportunity, okay, for pattern traders. Structure-based trading, not that much, only and unless we have price action reaching these highs, then we can look to actually short the market, okay. We could also have a potential ABCD pattern. Let us see if we do clone. Yeah, we actually do have an ABCD pattern coming in just below our 886 completion point, giving us furthermore confirmation. We have structure as well there. We have structure high there. So structure-based traders also have a shot, okay, at this particular trade. Pound Aussie, the last trade, I want to actually talk about as well. What we have here is a double top. Price action tested our resistance zone twice. What next I'm looking for is 2618, okay, potential trade setup here, where we have a double top. Price action retests, okay, our structure lows, okay. So looking at price action coming in down here for 2618, and then looking for a retrace back up, and then boom, trade the market lower. So that is the 2618 in a quick nutshell. So yeah, that's where my eyes are in terms of looking for trade setups, okay, for tomorrow. That's on my radar, and I hope this video has been informative. So without further ado, feel free to actually catch me on TradingView. You can catch me on TradingView. And catch me on TradingView. And feel free to chat with me in terms of any suggestions, anything when it comes to harmonic trading as well as trading in general. You can also like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And yeah, so without further ado, plan your trade your plan. Cheers.